acquisition manager. Today I have a special video for you guys. This video will be based on Outscraper. This tool is called Outscraper. I came across this tool, for commercial leads, and I only use it when it's difficult to find certain things. So this tool right here is a really good tool. I also have Telescope up. The difference between Outscraper and this tool, between Telescope specifically focuses on LinkedIn profiles. So they mainly just grab information from LinkedIn. This tool right here, Outscraper. So this tool is really handy if you're looking for specific things or a genre of things. So we're going to go down it and it has a genre of different brands that they work with, or companies, as you would say, just to show you a few. So there's Airbnb, Amazon, Apple products, Booking, Best Buy. Come down here, bear with me. So if you come down here, so there's white pages, yellow pages, Yelp, Zillow. I've used this to look for specific properties in the area. Let's go to by type. So by type, you could specifically look for a genre. You can look for Google Map searches, Google domain searches, Yelp, Business Scraper, Business Directory, other websites. They also, I think I might have passed it earlier, but we'll go back to it. But they also have phone number lookups, domain related contacts. So with this tool, you can do a lot specifically with this tool. Here we go. So they also have a Google scraper. So they're willing to, well, they can literally take the information from Google Maps, Google search, where is it at? They can literally take the information from Google search and gather everything off of Google. This is a very useful tool, especially in the real estate space. Me looking for more to put out. I'm starting a email marketing campaign, and I thought this would be good to target individuals that have businesses. So as you can see, it has gave me over 1,000 leads. So as you can see, over 1,000 leads, so much information, phone numbers, you got emails, information about the business, reviews. So if we come right here to task, you're able to see your previous task that you did. This is the one I was just showing you guys. In this task specifically, as you can see how many leads. So we got over 880 emails. Phone numbers, we got 49. White pages, we got another 24. And then company insight, 572. And then on top of that, you got emails and contacts, 652. And so I know y'all like, that's a lot. So how this works is there's a software in there that, in a simple terms, what it does is it goes from different web pages and pulls everything in. So one of the big problems with this is verifying the number. So they do have a service, which you're going to see. We might do one together. Specifically, I'm looking for real estate agents, individual real estate agents. I work with real estate agents all the time, but I want to do an email campaign specifically to agents. So this is what we're going to do. So this is my handy dandy tool. So I use ChatGPT on a daily basis. ChatGPT is like a lifesaver, especially if you're trying to save time and literally 10x your process by 10. ChatGPT will definitely do that. If you're not using ChatGPT, I invest you to use it, get familiar with it. ChatGPT can help you with so many things. This is not promo, but it can help you with so many things. Organizing bills, help you save money. ChatGPT comes in handy. So if you don't know everything, this will be a good tool for you. So as you can see right now, I'm taking all the keywords and putting it into the search bar. So once it goes through the once it climbs the websites, it's going to look for all these keywords that I specifically put in there. So we have our states added, as you can see. US. So this right here gives it gives it the ability to crawl through how many pages I want it to crawl through. Filters, we're specifically targeting emails. So as you can see right here at the bottom, it immediately selected these because it want to give me the best leads as possible. So remember what I told you, it verifies the emails. And then how we wanted a CVS, well, CSV criteria. We don't want no demo. Done.